Welcome to Evo India, and we are at the stall of VinFast at the Bharat Mobility Expo. Now, VinFast is a brand new company. You may not have heard its name. It hails from Vietnam. It is the first Southeast Asian company to go all electric. And you know what? They're going to be launching two new models in India this year, the VF7 and VF6. Apart from that, they have showcased a whole lot of other models in their range in this stall, like the VF3, the Wild Concept, different variants of VF7, the VF9, VF8, three different electric scooters as well. They've got some interesting looking SUVs with sloping roofline, interesting looking headlights. The point is that with their different designs, the services that they intend to provide, with the kind of products they have, they intend to make sure that EVs are no longer a secondary choice for customers. In fact, they want to make sure that EVs become the primary choice. In fact, they want to align themselves to the government's initiatives which make sure that EVs formulate about 30% of the total market share of the car sales in India by 2030. Will that happen? We don't know, but one thing's for sure, the VF7 and the VF6 are going to launch in India this year, and we can't wait for it. What do you think about VinFast's approach and their vehicles VF7 and VF6? Do let us know in the comments.